Hey guys, welcome back to ASHTOBERFEST. Today's video is going to be on this punk-inspired look right here. I don't know at the time what I'm calling this look. I knew I wanted to do a punk-inspired look this year. I was originally going to do a punk-inspired vampire, kind of like from the Lost Boys, but along the way, this is what I ended up doing. So I don't know what this is called. Does it even have a name? Who knows? I really love the way that this one turned out. I love these little baby bangs that I cut and these little horns. Who knows what this look even is, but I really like it. I hope you guys enjoy it too. As always, I will link everything in the description box down below so you can find where I got all my necklaces, my outfit, the wig, the horns, how I made these lashes. Everything will be linked down there in case you're interested. You can also find the link to ASHTOBERFEST for merch. I love to see you guys wearing your stuff. I always repost you guys on Instagram stories, so please tag me so I can find them. You can also find out how to enter today's giveaway as well as the rest of ASHTOBERFEST for giveaways in the description box. Be sure to check it out. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and comment on photos. So that's how I'm going to be choosing. I honestly cannot wait to get these contacts out of my eyeballs because I've been wearing them for like 3 hours. And you know, they're just not the best on the eyes. Anyway, super excited to bring you guys this look. I hope you enjoy, and let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So starting off, I was going to cover my eyebrows, but I thought it might be cooler to make it look like I had bleached eyebrows, so I just mixed up kind of an off-white shade using my Makeup Forever Flash palette. You could probably do this mixing foundation with a white cream paint. And I'm just running that through my eyebrows with a spoolie. For my base, I'm not going to wear any foundation. I'm just taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, putting that in the usual places that I would put it, and then I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender. To set, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Vanilla Setting Powder, just taking a small brush and setting anywhere that I put the concealer. And to contour, I'm using my Ancient Makeup Geek Contour. This one is in the shade Breakup. I believe this is sold out now, but they still have some, so I'll link them below. For blush, I'm going to be using the Tender Flush Blush in the shade Fever. That was quite the mouthful, and it's also a very strange name for a blush. Tender Flush Blush. Alright, it's really pretty. For this eye look, I'm going to be doing everything red, so I'm taking that red paint from the Makeup Forever Flash palette, and I'm going to be drawing a really huge red wing over my eye. It's going to take up my whole lid, and it's going to be very, very big. I'm just doing this with a tiny little angled brush. First, I'm laying down the outline. I'm also going to be drawing a new inner corner and winging that in towards my nose. Once I have the outline done, I'm going to fill it in. Once I'm done filling it in, I'm going to go into my Colored Rain Vivid Pigments palette, and I'm going to pick up the shade Sauce and just set this so it doesn't crease. So for lashes, I'm actually going to be putting some more red paint from the Makeup Forever Flash palette onto a spoolie, and I'm going to run that through my lashes and really just cake that up there. For false lashes, I purchased these at Friends Beauty. These are 302 lashes. And I, off camera, just really caked on some red paint onto them. And I actually stacked these, so I'm wearing 2 pairs of lashes on each side for a really dramatic look. On the lower lash line, I'm taking some more red paint on the waterline as well as underneath, and I'm just going to smoke that out and add some more paint to my lower lashes as well. Now I wanted to add some horns from this look, and I had some little horns I ordered to put on a jacket that I had from Amazon. So I'm just going to be adding some lash glue where I want those, and while I wait for that to dry, add my black lipstick. This one is by Black Moon Cosmetics. It's the shade Sleepwalker. And over top of that, I'm going to be adding their black metal in the shade Castle. I really like the dimension that this gave the lip. Now that my lash glue is dry, I can add here my little horns. I thought these were so cute. And over top of my lips, I'm going to add more glitter. This is the Fenty Diamond Bomb that I always use. And that's it for makeup. So moving on to hair, I am throwing on my wig cap. And I've actually had this wig before. This is a new one, and I'm going to be cutting these bangs super short. I wanted to wait till I was wearing it because it was easier for me to see that way. So I'm just gonna chop right into these. It doesn't need to be perfect. Obviously, this is a punk. Doesn't need to be perfect. Obviously, this is a very DIY punk look. Keep in mind if you're gonna be ordering this wig for yourself, it is a little bit more yellow in person. And let's get into the costume. This costume is one of my favorites. It's so cute. I ordered these pants from Trip. I always wanted a pair of these pants, but I've just never had them before. I remember kids in middle school had these and I always wanted a pair, so I'm just living my middle school dream right now in these pants. So I'm adding my little studded belt to this, which I actually found at a thrift store once. It's a children's size belt and it fits me perfect somehow. I don't know how I got so lucky there. And I'm wearing like a white sports bra or like cami bra, and I'm putting this chain top over top of it. This top would be so easy to DIY. I feel like you could just get a chain and kind of thread it around yourself. And of course, I'm completing this look with my white Jaden boots by Doc Martens. These have industrial laces on them too. I also have a ton of jewelry on. Most of the jewelry that I'm wearing is from Shop Dalmata, so I will link that below as well as the rest of the costume will be down there. And that is it for this one. You could call this anything. I called it a punk demon just because I added the horns, but you could use this for pretty much any punk inspired look. And that's it. All right, this is the finished look. I love this one. I don't know why I did that with my voice. I'm so annoying. I just love the way that this wig looks with these baby bangs. We stan. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. My eyes are hurting from these contacts, if I'm being honest. I already went and shot all the photos for this look and it's been a few hours, so excited to take these out, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Really, this look is about the costume, I guess, but I wanted to do something really fun with the makeup, so I hope you guys enjoyed. You can obviously take this look and do any type of costume with it, with the eyelashes or just the makeup. It can be, you could call this anything really. It could be punk vampire, punk ghost, demon, I don't know. You could literally get away with calling it anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to check the description box for all the products that I used, how to enter the giveaway for today, as well as ASHTOBERFEST 4 merch, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!